Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to left corner button to open camera settings. And here at the first page we have shutter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear the sound. And of course when we tap to left corner settings once again to shutter sound, we can turn it on and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.